Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back with all you beautiful people after such a long time. Today I will be unboxing the Simons Stamp May 2024 card kit. Wow, it's May already. Well, it's my first card kit for this year and hopefully I have many more fun projects for you guys in the coming months. The May 2024 card kit is called Celestial Wishes and it's definitely a magical one. It is so full of fun, crafty goodies. I already have created so many bright and colorful cards using the contents of this kit. Well, before we get started, I would love for you to take a minute to hit on the like button and share this video. Also, if you're new here, thanks a lot for being here. Your love really means a lot to me. Please hit the subscribe button for more fun projects and crafty goodness. Let's take a look at the contents of this kit. When I say the Simons Stamp kit is a super fun kit, I mean it comes with stamps, dies, embossing folders, colors, and lots more. Well, to get started, we have this beautiful inspiration sheet that every kit comes with. You could also check the Simons Stamp blog page and also the card kit gallery for lots more inspiration. First up, we have the Sunny Fern 2D Emboss and Cut folder by Simons Stamp. Well, I love these kind of folders because the folder embosses the intricate design while simultaneously cutting out the central sun shape, thereby streamlining your creative process. Next, we have a pack of the Tim Holtz Ranger tiny blending tools along with 4 sponge applicators. This would go perfectly with the 2 little positively saturated ink cubes that are included in the kit. These are the new inks, Terracotta and a beautiful shade of yellow called Zest. I love the formulation of these positively saturated inks. They are really juicy and quick drying and acid free and fade resistant. The durable foam pads makes application of inks, be it for stamping or ink blending, really simple. Next we have is a jar of these new Positively Dazzling gems in the warm tones. We have reds, oranges and yellow hues here which is perfectly matching the terracotta and zest ink pads. Almost all of my cards, say 9 out of 10 cards, will have sparkle, shine and bling on my card front. And these charming gems are perfect for that. The Simons Stamp card kit is usually never complete without some beautiful pattern paper. Here we have the Ombre paper pad 6 by 6 inches by Craft Consortium. I love the watercolor look on these papers and the colors are absolutely stunning. Along with these bright and beautiful pattern papers, we also have this beautiful gorgeous yellow envelope which is called the Dandelion Envelope by Simons Stamp. These are made up of premium 80-pound paper which is perfect for your A2 size cards. Now for the most exciting part of every card kit is this beautiful 6 by 8 stamp set called Celestial Wishes. It would be perfect for so many occasions, birthday cards, thank you cards, and well, take a look at those sub-sentiments. You could pair your thank you with so very much, happy birthday, hope your day is magical, and you can't miss the beautiful dragonfly, the little moth, the sun, the leaves. It definitely is a really magical stamp set. Included in the kit is the Celestial Burst die, which intricately cuts out the stunning sun rays that is featured in the stamp set. You could complete your die set with the Celestial Wishes, which is sold separately. Last but not the least, we have 2 sheets of the Neenah Solar White 110-pound cardstock. So that was the Simons Stamp May 2024 card kit called Celestial Wishes with so many fun goodies. We had pattern papers, ink blending tools, dies, jewels, embossing folders, ink pads, and so much more. Well, all this and the Simons Stamp Mesh Zipper Bag, which is perfect to store the contents of this kit. Stay tuned for my next video where I will be creating a beautiful colorful birthday card using the stamp set and the 2 positively saturated inks. All the supplies can be found linked in the description box below. I will see you back with some fun cards that I will be creating using the contents of this card kit. I would love for you to become a subscriber to my channel, and if you do subscribe or are already a subscriber, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post. Hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below if you have any ideas or suggestions. Also, if you'd like to share your creations, please tag me on my Instagram at rp_shutterbug. There's a link to that in the description box below. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.